The final section in lesson 11-4 is number 6. In a right triangle, we refer to the correspondence side-side angle shown in items 4a and 4c as hypotenuse leg. Write a convincing argument in the space below to prove that hypotenuse leg will ensure that right triangles are congruent. Go ahead and take 10 minutes time to try to figure out your argument behind this. Pause your video now. I walked through this two different ways. I first said, I just kind of wrote a paragraph format. I said, using the Pythagorean theorem, the third side can be proven to be congruent. If the third side is congruent, then the triangles can be proven congruent using side, 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 or side equal side. Down here, I used the algebraic. I showed you a picture, and I said, well, since we have right triangles, we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and d squared plus e squared equals f squared. Well, since c and f are equal to each other, we can say that a squared plus b squared equals d squared plus e squared, because we just set them equal to each other now. While we also know that a equals d, so we can say a squared plus b squared equals a squared plus e squared. Well, if you subtract the a squares, you get b squared equals e squared, thus making b equal to e, which can either be used to prove that the triangles are congruent by side, 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 or now that you know that these two sides are congruent, you can even say side angle side, because you know these 90 degrees are equal. On to your final debriefing.